Okay, two runners start the race at the same time and finish in a tie. Prove that at some time during the race, they have the same speed. So let's define a function ft, right? Ft is a function of time, right? This is at time t. What's the distance between? Right, the distance between these two runners. Okay, then what is f prime t? F prime t is the velocity difference between A and B. Okay, then for ft, you know that at the starting point, they start at the same time, right? Which means at time 0, the distance between A and B is 0. And they finish in a tie, which means at time capital T, let's say capital T is the time they finish, right? If the distance between them, it's also 0, right? And fx is f is a continuous function. It's continuous on 0 and t. It's differentiable on 0 and t, right? Then by mean value theorem, there exists a point between 0 and capital T such that f prime c equals f capital T minus f0 over t minus 0. Right? F capital T is 0, so f0 is 0, so it's this 0. Right? So there exists a time between 0 and t such that the derivative is 0. Right? Remember, what's the derivative? Derivative is the velocity difference between A and B. Right? So at time t, so at time c, the velocity difference between A and B it's exactly 0. Right? So at this time c, they have the same speed.